Bitcoin trades above $29,000, Ether trades below $1,900. DogeCoin bumps 10% on X payment speculation. Doge futures traders lose $10 million. UK Information Commission to make inquiries about WorldCoin. Japan signals more Web3 promotion policies are coming. Binance says it intends to file motion to dismiss CFTC complaint. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as market participants stayed cautious ahead of the FOMC meeting scheduled in the week. Bitcoin slid below $30,000 crucial support levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 38,620 points. In an interesting news, Japan PM Fumio Kishida also expressed his growing interest and support in the Web3 space when he recently attended WebX Conference, Asia's largest global conference on digital technology. Meanwhile, according to data from Sentiment, the total number of XRP whales holding more than 100 million tokens have increased to 199 million. However, the reports further highlighted that institutional investors holding figures reached an 11-week high. On the economic front, investors will now stay focused on two-day deliberations among the Federal Reserve Rate Setting Committee on rate hike announcement. Bitcoin, often considered a pure play on fiat liquidity and the riskiest of the risk assets, will reflect the impact of central bank rate hikes and sluggish economic growth. Going forward, recent reports mention that retail participation in the Bitcoin space have increased and have been driving the market and not the institutional investor, with a market dominance of 82%. Major alternative cryptocurrencies, altcoins, also dropped through the day, with Ripple's XRP and Solana's SOL leading the fall. SOL plummeted 6.8% over the last 24 hours, while XRP declined 6.2%. Popular dog-themed meme coin DogeCoin remained defiant to market activity. The token jumped nearly 5% after Elon Musk added Doge to his bio, prompting speculation about its role in the just renamed social media platform X. On the contrary, total value locked off Base, a Coinbase-backed Layer 2 solution, skyrocketed by more than 50% and reached $952,000. The platform's rising popularity and its growing interest has led Base to emerge as one of the fastest Layer 2 protocols within the Ethereum ecosystem. US stock futures were unchanged after the Dow Jones Industrial Averages registered its longest winning streak since February 2017. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures dropped by 18 points. Futures linked to the S&P 500 advanced by 0.1%, while Nasdaq 100 futures increased by 0.4%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,176, down 0.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.4%, trading at $1,855. BNB was down by 0.3% to trade at $237. Solana SOL was down 2% and was trading at $23.2. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.6% to trade at $0.30. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.5% to trade at $0.72. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.69, down by 1.1%. Polkadot was down by 0.4% to trade at $5.2. However, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.3, higher 1.2%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 4.3% at $0.077. Shiba Inu was trading up by 1%.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. DogeCoin rose for the second consecutive day as speculations of the meme coin playing a bigger role on the newly rebranded X platform fueled the rally. According to CoinGecko statistics, Doge has increased by as much as 10% to over 7.7 cents in the last day, with $2.3 billion worth of trade. The majority of these volumes were traded against the Korean won trading pair on the South Korean exchange Upbit, which is renowned for drawing speculative bets. According to CoinGlass statistics, futures traders lost around $10 million betting both for and against Dogecoin price changes. Analysts say Twitter, which rebranded to Everything App X on Monday, could soon accept Doge tokens in the coming months, given owner Elon Musk's seeming infatuation with the meme coin. The UK's data watchdog, the Information Commission's office, will examine WorldCoin, a project by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. We note the launch of WorldCoin in the UK and will be making further inquiries, a spokesperson for the Information Commissioner's office told CoinDesk. Organizations also need to have a clear, lawful basis to process personal data. Where they are relying on consent, this needs to be freely given and capable of being withdrawn without detriment, the watchdog added. WorldCoin, which launched on Monday, describes itself as a digital passport that can help holders prove they are human. The project already had 2 million users from its beta launch. The firm has claimed that they comply with very local and very specific rules and regulations in each of the markets where there's an ORB. Japan's Prime Minister Fumio Kishida said that the country's annual broad policy outline includes measures that take user protection into account while also improving the environment for utilizing Web3 tokens and revitalizing the content industry. Kishida made these remarks in a recorded video broadcast at the WebEx conference in Tokyo, which opened Tuesday, continuing the Liberal Democratic Party's embrace of Web3. The country's leader reiterated that Web3 is part of the new form of capitalism, referring to his flagship economic policy intended to drive growth as well as wealth distribution by focusing on innovation, startups, and digital transformation. A small group of Japanese legislators have been working on regulations and policies for NFTs, stablecoins, and DAOs since last year. They have also eliminated an onerous tax obligation that pushed project creators out of the country. Top crypto exchange Binance intends to ask a court to dismiss the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission's suit against it, according to a new filing on Monday. The CFTC sued Binance, its founder, CZ, and compliance officer Samuel Lim in a US court in Illinois in March, alleging that the exchange operated a derivatives trading operation in the US and directed its American employees to obscure their locations to evade restrictions. Binance was also sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission, which asked for a temporary restraining order to be placed on all funds deposited at Binance.US, the American arm of the company. The restraining order, called a death penalty by a lawyer for Binance.US, was never put in place as Binance.US and the SEC agreed to a deal that would see the branch's assets and servers be put under the control of only its US-based staff. Binance's response to the CFTC's complaint is due later this week on July 27. The filing did not specify Binance's argument, only that it is requesting to exceed the standard 15-page limit due to the complexity of the case. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Scalability solution for Ethereum, Polygon, has collaborated with Rarimo, an interoperability protocol, to enable the use of its verifiable credential architecture across several blockchains. Polygon was trading at $0.72 with a market capitalization of $6 billion. The collaboration between Rarimo and Polygon ID demonstrates a future in which users may simply use documents from a variety of sources, both on and off the blockchain, across a wide range of systems and dApps. This also introduces the idea of a future in which consumers, rather than corporations like Meta and Google, own their identities, making the process of verifying identities safer and more private. Moving on, Lay Labs is a Telegram toolbox that simplifies the blockchain, provides real-time data on market makers, and allows you to easily purchase projects owing to its interface with MaestroBot. According to CoinMarketCap, the Lay Labs token is the top gainer among the top meme coins today. However, Lay Labs was trading down today with a market capitalization of $3.9 million. Lay Labs' price increase comes at a time when the meme currency market is seeing substantial development, owing mostly to the debut of numerous new meme coin initiatives such as the Shiba Inu. Surprisingly, the bulk of the new meme coins have garnered a sizable following, which in most cases translates to absurd price increases in very short durations. Moving on, Cardano announced the upcoming launch date of Mithril's mainnet, indicating progress in scalability during the Basho era. The blockchain's weekly development report highlights the efforts of various teams and the network's most recent data, highlighting the progress made in increasing scalability. Following this announcement, ADA was trading at $0.30 with a market capitalization of $10 billion. The Mithril team has announced the launch of its mainnet. The Mithril team finished deploying the mainnet infrastructure in preparation for the beta launch. They also continued to work on the development of a simple stress test tool for benchmarking the aggregator. Aside from Mithril, the Hydra team focused on scalability. Next on the list, we have Stellar. Stellar Lumens ranked second in the terms of price growth in the last week, with double-digit gains of about 25% in the last 7 days, according to a CoinMarketCap data. XLM is now trading at $0.14 with a market capitalization of $3 billion. XLM's value rallied by 78% in the last month, despite a significant positive correlation between Bitcoin. On 12th July, the MACD line crossed the trend line, signaling a shift from bearish to bullish momentum. Since then, XLM's value has increased by 67%. Last on the list, we have Synthetix. Synthetix is a notable DeFi participant with a decentralized liquidity mechanism built on the Optimism and Ethereum mainnets. Synthetix provides a platform for users to produce or trade SYNs or synthetic digital assets. SYNs are virtual copies of real-world objects that expose users to a variety of traditional instruments. Synthetix's strong liquidity, novel concept, and minimal fees have all contributed to the significant interest in it, as well as its recent spike. Synthetix is now one of the greatest winners in the cryptocurrency market, with a 30% increase catching the attention of the crypto community. Synthetix is trading at $2.74 with a market capitalization of $723 million. The recent rise in the price of Synthetix can be attributed to positive market sentiment and its increasing adoption.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates in market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.